So friends, if you want to get notes option in Instagram, if this new option is not showing in your Instagram, so you can do these following tricks and maybe you can get this feature as soon as possible. Okay, so number one trick, first you have to update your Instagram app to get this note feature. If not showing, search Instagram in Play Store or App Store, and if it is not updated, so first update this application. After update, you can get this feature of note. This is new update. Okay, so if not update, please update it. This is the first trick. Then after this app update, simply open this Instagram, and now you can check this note feature is available or not. Okay, so you can see this note feature in my Instagram is already have, so I don't need. But if you haven't get this feature, first you have to update this Instagram app, and after you update this Instagram app and still you haven't get this note feature, then you have to long press on this Instagram app and click on this app info, and now go to this storage and cache option in third number, and then you can see here are two options in below, clear cache data and clear cache clear storage. Okay, so simply you have to click on this both two option, but right now I don't want to do this because I have already enabled this feature. I have already this note feature, so I don't want to do this. But if you have not get this feature, you have to simply click on this clear data and clear cache, and then you have to log in to your Instagram account. You have to open again your Instagram app, and maybe your problem will be solved. This is the number second trick, guys. You can clear data and clear cache. So now let's move to the last trick, guys. The last trick, again open this Instagram app. If your problem has not solved still, simply you have to click on this message icon, and you have to take a screenshot, okay, of this problem. You have to take a screenshot, and after you take a screenshot, simply go to your profile and click on this three lines icon and click on settings, and then you can see help option. So simply click on this help option, and now click on this report a problem and check phone to report a problem. So simply turn off this option and click on this report a problem. Okay, it is processing, and now you have to take a screenshot. Okay, I remove this first and I open my gallery and I take this photo. I have screenshotted, and then you have to type here this, guys. You have to tell your problem to Instagram team, and maybe your problem will be solved. So I type this. So you can see I have copy and paste. So this same all text are in my description, so you can simply see or copy that and you can paste here in this report section. I have typed, hi dear Instagram team, I have updated my Instagram app, but still I haven't got this feature, note feature in my profile, so I request you to enable this feature and provide me note option as soon as possible. And in the last you have to type here thanks, and then you have to click on this next option and click on this send report. Okay, so you can see thank you, and now the Instagram team will be check and provide this note feature as soon as possible. Okay, so these are the three tricks you have to apply in your Instagram app, and maybe you can get this note feature as soon as possible. So I hope you like my trick. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye, guys.